and very warm welcome to this edition of the Straight Talk. Let's get it straight. Today we are going to discuss one important aspect of goal setting, and that is big goals versus realistic goals. Have you ever wondered what is the difference between the big goals and realistic goals, and whether you should be setting up bigger goals in life or just be satisfied with setting up the realistic goals? One of the key differences between the two is that having bigger goals gives you a broader perspective of life, a broad vision of your life, whereas realistic goals are more inclined towards measurable or attainable goals. That is, the goals which you perceive are easily attainable and much easier to perform than the bigger goals. Today in this video, I am going to express my humble opinion and humble views before you people. And let's try to find out whether we should be having the bigger goals or the realistic goals, or how to make a choice between those. If you ever choose to set up big goals in your life, you must realize within yourself, are you willing to push yourself hard enough, come out of your comfort zone, or are you more satisfied setting up realistic goals only, continuing in the same vein to just survive without really stretching yourself? This is the question that you need to ask yourself once you sit with yourself to ponder on this question. Ultimately, you might find that realistic goals are more easier to adopt and perhaps even easier to achieve also than bigger goals. But the risk in having realistic goals only is that you might end up lowering your goals knowingly or unknowingly without you being aware of it. And eventually you may end up achieving much less than what you expected or much less than what you were capable of. Perhaps advantages of having bigger goals in the very first place is that no matter whether you achieve it or not, no matter whether you are achieving it or not, you're more likely to tap your potential and push yourself beyond boundaries. At the end of the day, it all boils down to what you think you are capable of. That must be the guiding light for you. If you believe in your psyche that something is attainable, you can't set, unless you feel like that, unless you think like that, you can't set big vision or big goal in life. Or even if you set a bigger vision in your life, you're not going to achieve it. Time and again, irony is that we have been told to set up realistic goals only. That is, the goals which are more realistic, more attainable, and more achievable. We have been told to focus only on the tried and tested ones and not to try out something which is riskier or with something which has not happened before. But that doesn't mean that we should be focusing only on realistic goals and not realize our true potential or to undermine ourselves. Perhaps bigger goals are much better in comparison and analysis, but the key thing is to accept failures as well, because if you set big goals or bigger vision in your life, you are bound to experience failures as well, because probably you will be stretching yourself for the first time in your life, and probably you may need to outperform others or to perform to the best of your ability. You need to outweigh the pros and cons of bigger goals versus realistic goals and then take your own wise decision based on that. रियलिस्टिक गोल्स सेटअप करना ईजियर है, लेकिन बिगर गोल्स को अचीव करना एक बड़ी बात है जो एक समय पर डिस्टेंट पॉसिबिलिटी लग सकते हैं, क्योंकि अभी हम उसके बारे में अनश्योर हैं कि क्या वो चीज़ वास्तव में होगी या नहीं होगी, क्या हम उस गोल को वास्तव में अचीव कर पाएंगे या नहीं कर पाएंगे. Another advantage of bigger goals is that in the process you may not hit the ultimate goal itself, but at least you gave your best shot and end up being the best version of yourself. So from that point of view, it is always better to have bigger goals rather than the realistic goals, because bigger goals are more likely to inspire you to scale great heights. जितने भी inventions ह्यूमन मैनकाइंड की हिस्ट्री में हुए हैं वो सब बिगर विजन और बिगर गोल्स की वजह से ही हुए हैं. अगर जिन लोगों ने ये इन्वेंशंस किए हैं वो केवल रियलिस्टिक गोल्स की तरफ जाते तो शायद हमें इतने इन्वेंशंस देखने को नहीं मिलते और हमारी लाइफ में इतनी फैसिलिटीज नहीं होती जो आज हैं. तो इस तरह से आप समझ सकते हैं कि बिगर गोल्स का हमारे जीवन में क्या महत्व है. मैंने आपके साथ अपने व्यूज शेयर किए हैं और मुझे लगता है कि बिगर गोल्स का होना हमारी लाइफ में ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है बजाय रियलिस्टिक गोल्स के. अगर हम ब्रॉड पर्सपेक्टिव देखते हैं और ब्रॉड विजन लेके अपनी लाइफ में चलते हैं तो इससे हमारा ट्रू पोटेंशियल टैप होता है और साथ ही साथ हम अपना एक बेस्ट वर्जन या बेस्ट बनने की दिशा में एक कदम उठाते हैं और हमें एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के प्रोसेस से हम गुजरते हैं। कमेंट बॉक्स में शेयर करके अपने विचार जरूर मुझे बताइएगा और शेयर कीजिएगा कि आपके अनुसार दोनों में से कौन से गोल्स बेटर है, बिगर या रियलिस्टिक, और आप किस गोल की तरफ जाना चाहेंगे। एक बात मैं लास्ट में ऐड करना चाहता हूं कि हो सकता है कि बिगर गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए आपको फेलियर्स भी हों और आपका कुछ सेटबैक भी हो या आपका कुछ हार्ट ब्रेक भी हो, पर इन सब चीजों का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमें केवल उन्हीं गोल से सेटिस्फाई हो जाना चाहिए जो इजी हैं, जो अटेनेबल है या जो मेजरेबल है। हमें कहीं ना कहीं अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आना चाहिए और उन चीजों को ट्राई आउट करना चाहिए जो हमने पहले कभी नहीं किया। जब हम ऐसा करते हैं तो हम न केवल अपना ट्रू पोटेंशियल रियलाइज कर पाते हैं बल्कि हमारा एक बेस्ट वर्जन भी हमारे सामने आता है और अपनी लाइफ को एंजॉय कर पाते हैं और फुली रियलाइज कर पाते हैं, जो हमारी लाइफ का एक मकसद भी होना चाहिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।